Bookkeeping Tailor, a cost-effective solution for your records keeping, gives you peace of mind and helps you grow your business. We are a one-stop solution for your business tax compliance, data-driven decision-making, and cost reduction. Get your bookkeeping done at a cost as low as $50 per month. Visit our pricing at www.bookkeepingtailor.com. It's www.bookkeepingtailor.com.
Hello guys, this is QuickBooks Desktop Pro. In this video, we are going to create a customer invoice, create a invoice template specific to your business requirement, and process payment from customer for this invoice. This is QuickBooks Desktop Pro home screen. In your left hand navigation, you see home, income tracker, calendar, customers. Right now the customer column is empty because we don't have any customers. So we are going to create a new customer and process a customer invoice. Let's go to home, create a customer invoice. This is QuickBooks default invoice processing template, and you can see here Intuit service invoice. This is their default invoice template. Now we are going to customize an invoice template based on our requirement. To do that, let's go to formatting, manage templates, Intuit service invoices. You can customize packing slip, product invoice, professional invoices, service invoice. Anything you want to customize based on your requirement. In this video, we are going to customize service invoice. Since this is the default invoice template, we are not going to change this, but we are going to make a copy of it. Make a copy of Intuit service invoice. We can change the name, BK Tailor Service Invoice 1. We can have different types of invoice template. For example, one invoice template for your customer in Canada. And if you are creating an invoice for your customer in Canada, if your product or services are taxable under GST HST, you charge them GST HST. But if the customer is located in the United States, since it will be considered export, then you will not charge him GST HST because your product and services will become zero rated. So in that case, you have an invoice template Canada, invoice template USA. For our learning purposes, we are going to create only one invoice template, but customizing process will remain the same no matter how many templates you want to create. Hit OK, and then it will take you to the designer window. Here we are on the designer window. So first thing first, we are going to add logo. It is asking me to select a logo. So here is our logo. Open. Now you can see the logo has come here. Beautiful. Now beside the logo, you want to add your company name. Simply just check this box, company name. Okay, you see the company name is appearing. You want to add the company address. Okay, the company address is here. You want to add the phone number. Okay, the phone number is here at the bottom. Now you see this information is overlapping on the invoice template. You can go to layout designer and you can bring it down here. Here is your phone number. Hit OK. Let's look at the preview. Beautiful. So you have your logo, your company name, your address, phone number, and you can do many other customization. Here you have PO number, you can put it as quotation number, salesperson name, many things. But all you will do it, you have the options here. Hit OK. Now our customized invoice template is here. You have so many templates. You can use any one you want to invoice a particular customer. We are using this one. We have not added a customer, so we are going to add a customer. Add new. Company name ABC Inc. John Smith. You can add address 123 DCF Street, Woodstock, Ontario, P1P1P1. You can input customer email address. If you put your customer email address, you will be able to create your invoice and email that invoice directly from the QuickBooks to your customer. So let's put here john@gmail.com. Payment setting, if you have the payment information from the client, credit card number, credit card information, you can input here. Sales tax, if it is a Canadian customer and your product and services are taxable under GST HST, you can select HST. If you see that particular GST HST code is not available, for example, you are selling your product in Alberta, so you need to apply the rate of Alberta, you can add new. Since I know this customer is in Ontario, so I am selecting Ontario HST. If I have the business number of my customer, I can add it here. Additional information, customer type, customers Canada, customers USA, customers bookkeeping services, customers tax filing services, customers incorporation services, like that. Job info, you can put some job info here. This is very useful when you are working on a project basis. Hit OK. The customer is added. Item, you can create a service item, add new. Services, bookkeeping. You can define your rate. Now when you process this invoice for the services bookkeeping, in which general ledger you want to categorize that income, you can add it here. You can choose sales, or you can create a new, add new. Bookkeeping service income. Don't forget to select the account type at the beginning. Income, save and close. OK. Bookkeeping services from Jan to Feb 2023, quantity 2 months, rate $100 per month, $200. HST is automatically added because when we were creating the customer, we have told the system, QuickBooks, that our customer has Ontario HST 13%. You can input some message. It has been pleasure working with you. All work is completed. You can put memo. Jan, Feb 23 bookkeeping. You can save and close, or you can print your invoice. Let's see the preview. Your invoice looks like this. Your logo, your name, address, services performed, rate charge, total, sales tax, your phone number. Close. If you want to email your customer, you can email your invoice from here. In this case, I'm doing save and close. Now if I come to the customer tab, let's expand this. The customer is already created and this invoice has been created. Now you can see if this invoice is paid or not. So we can add it here. All transaction, customize column, open balances, add, okay. So this one is appearing as open balances. That means this invoice is not yet paid. We go to home, receive payment, which customer, ABC Inc., amount we receive $226, today's date, payment method, check number 4578, amount received, save and close. Go to customer, you see that the payment has been received. So we have processed a customer invoice. We created an invoice template. We processed the customer payment. Let's look at our financial statement. Does it appears? Profit and loss account. You can see your service income $200. And that's it. In our next video, we are going to learn about entering bookkeeping for expenses, how to enter journal entry, how to enter supplier invoice. Thank you for watching.